Hey YouTube, let's do this Mustafa song. This is F chord at the 5th fret. And then we walk it to D minor at the 5th fret. And then we go C to B flat, back to C, back to F. I think that's how it ends. B flat to C. But basically, the whole thing is that that progression I just showed you. So we start on the F. Okay, this is really a part of a C chord, but we're not playing the whole thing. We're just playing the top 4 strings. At the 5th fret, that is F. Your root is here on the 8th fret, A string. And that's where they're getting those little pull-on. That's how you're getting those pull-offs. You can play it down in the open position. Those notes are not available. And then we just go to basically a C chord on that walk down. We're playing at the 5th fret across strings 4, 3, 2. And then we go to a D minor. That's how they're getting the hammer-ons here. And then we go C, B flat, back to C. And then it goes to F, and that's how the cycle ends. All of these drugs, all of these drugs, do. So the chorus just it's the same chord progression except it starts on the B flat. We're playing that with the A shape, except we move it, slide it up to the 3rd fret. And I was just playing it with one finger. All of these drugs, up to the C. Then it's just right back into that F walk down to D minor. Then C to B again. I don't think they go to the A there, but that's later on they go to the A. And then from the A they just go back to the F. F always goes to the D minor. D minor goes to C, B flat. C goes back to F. So it's just a big cycle. And then at a couple of times there, towards the end there's a little bridge, and it starts on a D minor, goes to A, and then it just goes to F and back into that. Except instead of going back up to C, it goes down to the A. Okay, that's the easiest way I can explain that song. All right, thanks for watching and have fun playing it. Bye-bye.